I got this barbecue kit from Jack Barbecue down in SODO. We're joining them here on Zoom tonight so they can teach us how to cook it. Started with these awesome Jack's aprons. Here's the food. Got a bunch of rubs. Looks like we got a rub, brisket rub, sauce. So Jack's brisket says boil for 20 minutes. Ribs as well, also boil for 20 minutes. So this has been extremely simple so far. They are pre-packaged, and all you gotta do is boil some water. We're gonna drop this in the water, and they're walking us through the whole thing.
You want it at least 21 days age. If you can shoot for 28 days, that's great.
What's really interesting is that this class is a lot more advanced than I anticipated. We're going deep into how to prepare brisket, how to buy brisket, what to look for.
Alongside of it, it'll kind of show you where that natural line is, where you need